Good morning, everyone. Today's chapter is time and course book page number 6. And we can continue to page number 7. Now, of you take out your course book, page number 6. First of all, look at these examples. Right? 180 seconds in minutes. Right? 180 seconds in minutes. What we have to do? See, what 1 hour having how many minutes? 1 hour having 60 minutes. 1 hour having 60 minutes. 1 minute having 60 seconds. 1 minute having 60 seconds. One day is 24 hours. For one day, how many hours? 24 hours. Half day. Half day means 12 hours. Half day means 12 hours. Let's see the first one. We have to write 180 seconds. 180 seconds into minutes. Into minutes. 1 minute having 60 seconds. So 3 minutes, for example, 3 minutes. Shall we add 60 seconds plus 60 seconds plus 60 seconds? 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. So 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. How many minutes? 3 minutes. How many minutes? 3 minutes. 180 seconds means 3 minutes of time. 3 minutes of time. Let's see the next one. Or we can divide 180 with 60. 180 seconds divided by for each minute how many seconds? 60 seconds. For each second, 60 seconds. For each minute it is having 60 seconds. So we can divide 180 divided by 60. 0, 0 cancel. In 6 table, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So 3 minutes of time. Now see the next one. How many seconds are in 5 hours? How many seconds are there in 5 hours? We have to find 5 hours of time. 5 hours of time. For 1 hour, there are 60 minutes into for each minute, how many seconds will be? 60 seconds will be there. So 6 6 are 36 and 2 zeros. For 1 hour, there are 3600 seconds. For 5 hours, into 5 we can. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry out 0, 5 3s are 15 plus 8, 3. It is 18. 1800 seconds. How many seconds? 1800 seconds. 18,000 seconds. For 5 hours, how many seconds will be? 18,000 seconds. I am explaining the same sum again. For 1 hour, how many minutes will be? 60 minutes. For each minute, how many seconds? 60 seconds. So 60 into 60. 60 into 60. 3,600. 3,600. For 1 hour, it is 3,600 seconds. What about 5 hours? 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. So for 5 hours is 18,000 seconds. For 5 hours is 18,000 seconds. Now the next one. How many hours are in 8 days? How many hours are there in 8 days? Per day, how many hours? Eight days is equal to hours. So for one day, there are 24 hours. 24 hours. So for 8 days, so 24 into 8 is 192. For 8 days, 192 hours are there. For 8 days, 192 hours are there. Now see the next example. Anu's grandfather is 70 years old. Convert the number of years into decades. Ma, 10 years అంటే 1 decade. 10 years అంటే 1 decade. Anu's grandfather's age is 70 years. 70 years. You have to find out how many decades it will be. 1 decade అంటే 1 decade is equal to 10 years. So how many years it will be? 70 divided with 10. 70 divided with 10. In 10 table, 70 comes at 7 times. In 10 table, 70 comes at 7 times. So 7 decades. How many decades? 7 decades. 70 years ki any decades ante 7 decades. For 10 years it is called as a 1 decade. 10 years ante 1 decade. So now see the next one. Convert 6 years, 8 months into months. Convert 6 years. Convert 6 years, 8 months into months. 6 years, 8 months. Into total we have to find out the months only. 1 year having how many months? 1 year having 12 months. 1 year having 12 months. So 6 years means 12 into 6. 12 months for 6 years. 6 years per each month వచ్చి 12 months. So 12 into 6. It is 12 6 are 72 months. Plus again 8 months are there. Again 8 months. So plus 8. So 72 plus 8 is 80 months. How many months? 80 months. 1 year and 12 months. Because when studying is 6 months, 6 years, 8 months ki, how many months it will be? So 1 year having 12 months. 1 year having 12 months. So 12 into 6. 12 6 are 72 plus 8 months are left here. So 72 plus 8 is 80. 72 plus 8 is 80 months. So total how many months? 80 months are there. Now see the last one. How many minutes are there in 12 hours? How many minutes are there in 12 hours? Per 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. For 12 hours. 12 hours question mark. 1 hour having 60 minutes. 1 hour having how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what about 12 hours? You have to multiply with 12 into 60 minutes. 12 hours, 60 minutes. But each hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 12 into 60. 12 into 60. It is 7,200 or 7,200 minutes. 7,200 minutes. Now all of you take out your maths workbook.
Now, all of you, take out your maths workbook, volume 2, page number 4 in maths workbook. See the first blank. The number of years in a millennium is? What is this? It's a millennium. Number of years in a millennium is 1,000 years. How many years? 1,000 years. So write 1,000 years. Number of years in a century. How many years are there in a century is 100 years. How many years? 100 years. Next one. Christmas is celebrated in the month of December. In the month of December. So write December. Next one. Number of 31 days, months in a year. How many months? 7 months. How many months? 7 months. What are the names of those months? January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. They are the 7 months. They are having 31 days in month. In month. Number of 30 days, months in a year. In a year. There are 4 months. How many months? 4 months. So you have to write here 4. Here 7 months we have to mention. 7 months. Here 4 months. What are their names? February, April, June, September. Number of days in a February in a leap year is, leap year means we have counted as 366 days. How many days are there in a leap year? 366. Normal year having 365 days. So normal month year having, in the month of February they are having 28 days. But in a leap year it is having 29 days. So 29 days are there in a February in a leap year. In a leap year. Next one. Number of days in a leap year is. How many days are there in a leap year? 366 days. How many days? 366 days. Here also you have to mention days here. 29 days. Next one. Number of weeks are there in a year? There are 52 weeks. How many weeks? 52 weeks. Number of minutes in 6 hours. How many minutes are there in a 1 hour? 1 hour having, see here I am writing, 1 hour 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 6 hours means 6 into 60. 6 into 60. 6 6 are 36. So 360 minutes. 360 minutes. Next one. Number of seconds in 5 minutes. Number of seconds in 5 minutes. 1 minute having 60 seconds. 1 minute having 60 seconds. So 5 minutes means 5 into 60. 5 60s are 300. How many seconds? 300 seconds. How many seconds? 300 seconds. Number of seconds in 2 hours. Number of seconds in 2 hours. 2 hours means how many minutes? 2 hours means we have to count it as 300. Sorry. See here. 2 hours means 120 minutes. 2 hours means 120 minutes. For each hour it is for each minute it is having 60 seconds. For each minute it is having 60 seconds. So 120 into 60. 120 into 60. So the total is 7,200 seconds. 7,200 seconds. So number of seconds in 12 hours, 2 hours is 7,200 seconds. Now I'm reading the first blank onwards. See, number of years in a millennium is, number of years in a millennium is 1,000 years. 1,000 years. Next one, number of years in a century is 100 years. How many years? 100 years. Next one, Christmas is celebrated in the month of December. Christmas is celebrated in the month of December. Number of 31 days, months in a year is 7 months. How many months? 7 months. What are they? January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Now see the next one. The number of 31 days, months in a year is 4 months. How many months? 4 months. Number of days in a February in a leap year is 29 days. For a normal year, February having 28 days. Number of days in a leap year. Number of days in a leap year, there are 366 days. There are 366 days. Number of weeks in a year, there are 52 weeks. How many weeks? 52 weeks. Number of minutes in 6 hours. Number of minutes in a 6 hours is 360 minutes. Number of seconds in 5 minutes is 3000 seconds. Number of seconds in 5 minutes, 300 seconds. How many seconds? 300 seconds. Next one, number of seconds in 2 hours. Number of seconds in 2 hours, 7,200 seconds. 7,200 seconds. Now all of you turn the page. 30 minutes into seconds. 30 minutes into seconds. How many minutes are, sorry, how many seconds are there per 1 minute? See here, 1 minute having 60 seconds. How many seconds? 1 minute having 60 seconds. So 30 minutes. So 30 minutes into 60 seconds. 30 into 60. So 0, 0. 3 6 are 18. How many seconds? 1800 seconds. 1800 seconds. 10 hours in 2 minutes. 10 hours in 2 minutes. For each hour, it is having 60 minutes. So, 10 into 60, it is 600. 10 into 60, 600. So, 600 minutes will be there in 10 hours. How many hours will having 600 minutes? 10 hours having 600 minutes. 2 hours 20 minutes in 2 seconds. 2 hours 20 minutes in 2 seconds. It is having 8,400 seconds. See here, 2 hours means how many minutes? 2 hours means 120 minutes, and again plus 20 minutes, plus 20 minutes. So it is 140 minutes. 140 minutes into, per each minute how many seconds? For each minute it is having 60 seconds. So 140 into 60. 140 into 60. So it is 8,400. 8,400 seconds. See the next one. 7,200 seconds into hours. 7,200 seconds into hours. It is 2 hours. How many hours? 2 hours. Next one. 360 seconds into minutes. So it is having 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 96 hours in 2 days. 96 hours in 2 days. It is 4 days. 4 days. Per each day 24 hours. So 24 into 4. 24 hours into 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry out. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. So 96 hours means 4 days. 96 hours means 4 days. See the next one. 9.5 days into hours. 9.5 days into hours. It is having 228 hours. 228 hours. Next one. 60 hours in 2 days. 60 hours in 2 days. 60 hours means uh, for the 2.5 days. Most probably 2.5 days. Why? Because shall we count that? Per one day, how many hours? 24 hours. And next day, 24 hours. So 24 plus 24 is 48. And again, 24 means it will be 72. It will be 72. So half means 60. 48 plus 12 hours. 48 plus 12 hours. So it is 2.5 days. 2.5 days. Next, 12 days, 16 hours. 12 days, 16 hours into hours. Per day, how many hours will be? 24 hours. Per day, 24 hours. So it is having 304 hours. How many hours? 304 hours. Now see the next one. 323 hours into days and hours. Days means 13 days, 11 hours. 13 days, 11 hours. 323 hours means 13 days, 11 hours. Now the next one. 80 years into decades. 80 years into decades. Decade means 10 years. One decade is equal to how many years? 10 years. So 80 years means 80 years means 8 decades. 8 decades. Now the next one. 10 decades in 2 years. 10 decades in 2 years. One decade means how many years? 10 years. So 10 decades means 10 into 10. 10 times are 100. 100 years or 1 century. 1 century. 100 years gani 1 century gani antaru. 400 years into centuries. So how many centuries? 400 years anta. 1 year ante 1 century antam. 400 years ante any centuries? 4 centuries. How many centuries? 4 centuries. 10 centuries into years. 10 centuries into years. It is 1000 years. How many years? 1000 years. 20 decades into centuries. 20 decades into centuries. One decade means how many years? 10 years. So 20 decades means here 10 decades means how many centuries? 1 century. So 20 decades means 2 centuries. How many centuries? 2 centuries. Now see the last one. 2 millenniums into years. 2 millenniums into years. 1 millennium means 1000 years. 1 millenniums means 1000 years. So 2 millenniums means 2000 years. What is that? 2000 years. 7000 years into millenniums. 7000 years into millenniums. So 7 millenniums. 30 centuries into millenniums. 30 centuries into millenniums. So see here 3 millenniums. Now all of you take out your maths activity book volume 2. Volume 2 activity book. Take out page number 6. See the first one. Read the given instruction, calculate the time and paste the corresponding clock sticker. In your activity book, the last page you are having this type of sticker sheet. Take out that sticker sheet. What is the first clock? Half past 7 in the morning. Half past 7 in the morning. Now see the first one. Half past 7 in the morning. Half past 7 in the morning. Half past means 30 minutes completed. 30 minutes completed. So it is the morning of 7. 30 minutes are completed. Half past. So 30 minutes are completed. So the time is 7 hours 30 minutes. And next one. 19 minutes past 6 in the evening. This is 6 o'clock and here 19 minutes are over. 19 minutes are over. Next one. 20 minutes to 12 in the afternoon. So the time is 11 hours 40 minutes. 11 hours 40 minutes. Next one. Quarter to 8 in the evening. Quarter to 8 in the evening. So the time is 7 hours 45 minutes. 7 hours 45 minutes. This red hand shows the hours and the long blue hand shows you minutes. Next one. 2 hours and 18 minutes after 11 p.m. 11 a.m. 2 hours and 18 minutes after 11 a.m. 11 o'clock తర్వాత నుంచి 2 hours అమ్మా. So 11 after 12 and again 1. So the time is 1 hour 18 minutes. 1 hour 18 minutes. So 1 o'clock 18 minutes. Next one. 12 minutes after half past 3 p.m. 3 hours long half past completed. Half past means 30 minutes are completed. 30 minutes are completed. And again 12 minutes are completed. From here to here 5 minutes. From here to here again 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 again plus 2 minutes are completed. So total 12 minutes are completed. So the time is 3 hours 42 minutes. 3 hours 42 minutes. Next one. 13 minutes before 11:30 in the night. 13 minutes before 11:30 in the night. Now the time is 11 hours 17 minutes. 11 hours 17 minutes. See, from here to here 5 minutes. Here to here 5 minutes. So 10 minutes 1, 2, 3. So 13 minutes. So the time is 11 hours 17 minutes. So 13 minutes before the 11:30 is 11 hours 17 minutes. 11 hours 17 minutes. Now see, 1 hour 42 minutes before 8 hours 24 minutes. 8 hour 24 minutes ki 1 hour before anta. 1 hour 42 minutes before. So the time is 6 hours 42 minutes. 6 hours 42 minutes. Okay students, today's home task is page number 5 in activity book. Page number 5 in activity book. Convert the given time into 24 hours clock format. And next one, convert the given time into 12-hour format using AM or PM. AM means anti-meridian, PM means post-meridian. Clock into 12 hours. I am saying the one example in each one. 24 hours pattern means after 12 we have to calculate at 1 as a 13. 12 as a 1 as a 13 hours. So here it is 13 hours 15 minutes. 13 hours 15 minutes. So it is the afternoon. So we have to write it as a PM. PM. PM means post meridian, AM means anti meridian. And the next one, convert the given into 12-hour format using AM or PM. 17 means 12 after 5 hours, it is 17. So the time is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. It's afternoon here. Sorry, it's evening here. So 5 p.m. 5 p.m. We can continue in the next class.